Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the subtraction of complex numbers. To start off, we will need to group the imaginary numbers with the real numbers. You may notice that the internal terms within both complex numbers are being subtracted, instead of added like before. This is because the latter complex number is negative, as we are subtracting from the positive complex number. In order to group the terms, we must distribute the negative to each. 6 minus 7 is negative 1. And 6i minus 6i is simply 0. This means our answer is just negative 1. The second problem will be the same process, so I will begin grouping the terms. Four minus 3 is 1 and 3i minus 7i is negative 4i. This means our answer is 1 minus 4i. Thank you for watching. Be sure to contact me using the email address in the description for help on any math assignment for a small fee.